surface shines, no dust hiding underneath the lines. Measure twice, leave a little to spare. Lay that vinyl with a steady kind of care. Peel the back and set the edge just right. Glass it smooth underneath the light. From the hood to the doors, take your time. Every clean corner makes the finish shine.